Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. Play tennis to add nearly 10 years to your life. Redheads produce vitamin D more efficiently than those with other hair colors, meaning they are less affected by low sun exposure. Deep quality sleep is a cornerstone of longevity. Love and companionship contribute to a longer, healthier life. Dubai is home to 81,200 millionaires, including 237 centimillionaires and 20 billionaires. A positive outlook can add years to your journey. France has just created a star on Earth 7 times hotter than the sun's core. A clear sense of purpose fuels a longer, more fulfilling life. A 15-year-old teen inventor created shoes that charge your phone while you walk. Meaningful relationships are vital for a long, happy life. Presenting two choices to someone increases the chance they will pick one, even if their original intention was to decline. Corn sweat is the process where corn plants release water vapor into the air through their leaves. An acre of corn can release 3,000 to 4,000 gallons of water per day, which can increase local humidity by up to 10%, especially during hot sunny weather. Starting with a small favor makes people more likely to agree to a bigger one later. This is known as the foot in the door technique. If someone cuts down a tree for their view in Australia, government installs a sign to block the view. 60% of the requests to ban books in US schools come from just 11 people. An estimated 40% of your happiness is genetic. In a small village in Holland, life is gently reimagined for people with dementia. Designed like a typical town with shops, restaurants, and gardens, it has a secure perimeter allowing residents to move freely and safely without feeling confined. Nearly 80% of flowers sold in the United States are imported. Watermelons are composed of 92% water, and ancient travelers in regions such as Egypt, China, and the Middle East used them as a source of hydration. Privately owned stores such as Walmart can't force you to show a receipt before letting you leave. You can politely refuse to show your receipt and continue walking out the door. In 2019, research found that women bought 62% of all new cars sold in the US and influenced more than 85% of all car purchases. Chiropractic spinal manipulation is a type of alternative medicine. Research indicates it may offer modest short term relief for certain conditions like low back pain. However, its effectiveness for other health issues remains unproven. Cashews don't grow inside a shell like most nuts. Instead, each cashew hangs from the bottom of a cashew apple, which is also edible, nature's unique two-in-one treat. 3,000 years ago, Persians built hidden tunnels that turned deadly deserts into paradise. The Qanat system channeled mountain water for miles underground, creating lush gardens that sustained empires. Many still work today. A study shows that just 5 minutes of a workout a day can still have both physical and mental health benefits. Three Indian teens invented a salt powered fridge that cools without electricity. After serving in the army, Bob Ross promised to never raise his voice at anyone ever again, which is why he was so soft spoken. A homeless man was taken to the hospital, and four loyal stray dogs he cares for waited all night at the entrance for him. Over 2 millennia ago, the Romans utilized cement to develop an exceptionally resilient type of concrete by incorporating volcanic ash. Many Roman edifices, such as the Pantheon and aqueducts, continue to endure to this day, surpassing the longevity of the majority of contemporary concrete constructions. 12 books students should read. The Alchemist, Atomic Habits, Deep Work, Ikigai, The Psychology of Money, Tuesdays with Maury, Make Your Bed, Do Epic Shit, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, The Almanac of Naval Ravikant, Ego is the Enemy. Thanks for watching.